From the FluxMotor Supervisor, a designer can build a new machine from scratch within a few minutes. The Motor Factory working environment guides users step by step through an efficient workflow for creating an electric motor, starting from the main structural data to the definition of magnet and slot topologies. Many standard topologies for magnets, slots, and bars are available and ready to be used within the platform. These parts are fully parameterized and can easily be customized to fit each application case, or even be designed using Altair Flux 2D Sketcher. A large selection of materials is provided for lamination, magnet, electric conductor, and other parts. At the heart of the motor design, the user-oriented winding assistant helps designers define the most appropriate architecture. Different solutions are offered to reach the best performance. Quality criteria, like the magnetomotive force, allows designers to evaluate the relevance of the winding parameters. When the design is achieved, a portfolio of standard tests is ready to be performed.
Thin Smart